It's Thursday, March the 22nd, and I stayed at Furuki-san's in Mashiko, the Tao Togai Art Center, Clay Center, and this is the gate towards the Clay Center. And towards all the wood firing kilns. And they were really damaged during the earthquake, and they did already a fantastic job in rebuilding. You can rent those kilns if you can fill it up with your work. And this is a little wood fire Hanagawa. And then there is Ewan Craig's Hanagawa. And those stones are to close the door here in front. And then Kusakawa-san's Hanagawa wood fire kiln. The arch there on top was completely broken, and I think more things, but it's really nice repaired. It's all wood for the firing. And then they have the big Hanagawa, the Worigama, more Hanagawa kiln here. And they are taking it down, and it needs to be rebuilt.